Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the useRef hook method in ReactJS. How to use this useRef, where to use. Learn this in this video. Let's get start to know about this. REFC snippet is going to give our a template arrow function. Now let's create one input method in this. Before that we'll use that react dot fragment. This is the react dot fragment. Default it is empty. Now let's use that div, and in this div we are going to have that class names. Here we'll use that bootstrap row, that means grid type, and within this control C, here let's use that column 1 column, here control V. In this also we are going to have something, I'll tell you one by one. Control F, and here we'll give the some margin here. Why we should give the margin? Margin top some space if you want. Then it is column column. Let's take some kind of space for this, and let's use that input in this label, label, and label is some kind of, we'll use like this. Label is please enter input something, or otherwise type something, some name, some director name, some kind of anything if you want. Then let's use input, it's a text. Then we'll have that id, name, and here let's use that ref before this one. Now let's verify on the browser. Just click on this. It's not applying some cosmetic changes. Also let's give some kind of things for this. Class name is a form control, we'll use here. Now verify that it's look very good. Now when I click on this, some CSS applied here, and that is when you refresh, no, the cursor is not pointing in the input box. To get that concentration, we'll use that useRef concept here. Let's declare one input ref equals to useRef. It should be null initially. Then let's use that initially. When you open this component, it has to show the cursor in the input box. It has to show the cursor in the input box. For that, initially we should use that use effect. Within this we'll use that callback function. Here let's use that dependency area also, and here we are going to have the to call the focus function. Whenever this page loaded, the cursor has to show in the input box. That means it has to focus on the input box. For that we need to call one method, that is input ref dot current dot focus. It's a method. That's it, it's going to show, and we need to give this reference to the input box. Where to refer this? Alt Shift F. Here we are going to give that ref control V, which is equals to, not this equal to, it should be in the curly bracket. Here we use ref. That's it. Now let's verify whether it is showing on the cursor on the input box when you refresh it. Yeah, when you refresh it, no, automatically the cursor is showing in this. How we achieved this one? If you put this in the comment line, and this one also, if you keep it in comment line, it is going to show you that initially it doesn't show that cursor on the input box. See, nowhere the cursor is there until unless if you click on that only it is showing. If you click outside it is not showing. So just you apply this Control Z, then automatically when you get refresh this one, it is showing on the input box. In this way we can utilize this useRef hook. This is one scenario. In this scenario we are using like this. In different scenarios it could be different, but the reference is as usual. So that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.